Every successful business starts with a one simple thing, a passion. Many people think they need a lot of money, expensive equipments, or a big city to succeed. But today, all you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and the willingness to learn. In this video, I'll show you 10 passions: fitness, cooking, photography, videography, music, drawing, farming, gardening, teaching, and storytelling, and explain how each one can become a real business. I'll also show you how social media can build an audience and how you can earn through multiple income streams. Watch until end because one of these passions could inspire the business that changes your future. Number 1. Fitness and health. Build a fitness brand. If fitness is your passion, you don't need a gym or a big city to build a successful business. With just a laptop, an internet connection, and your knowledge, you can start creating workout videos, home exercise routines, and healthy eating tips on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. As people begin trusting your advice, you can offer personal coaching, workout plans, nutrition guides, ebooks, and online courses. You can also earn through affiliate marketing by recommending fitness equipment, receive sponsorships from fitness brands, and build a paid community for your followers. What starts as a simple passion can eventually become a fitness brand that reaches people across the world, even if you live in a village. Number 2. Cooking. Build a cooking brand. If cooking is your passion, your kitchen can become your studio. Start sharing simple recipes, traditional village dishes, healthy meals, and cooking tips on YouTube, Instagram Reels, and Facebook. As your audience grows, you can earn through ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing for kitchen products, recipe ebooks, online cooking classes, and premium memberships. People love learning practical cooking skills, and your unique style can help you stand out. Over time, you can launch your own food products, recipe app, or cooking academy. Number 3. Photography. Build a photography brand. If you love photography, your camera can become your business partner. Share photography tips, editing tutorials, and beautiful pictures on social media to build an audience. As your skills become recognized, you can sell presets, editing courses, photography guides, and online workshops. You can also earn by licensing photos, recommending camera equipment through affiliate marketing, and working with brands. Eventually, your passion can grow into photography business that serves clients around the world. Number 4. Videography. Build a media business. If creating videos excites you, you already have the foundation of modern business. Start making cinematic videos, editing tutorials, or storytelling content for YouTube and Instagram. As your audience grows, offer video editing services, sell editing presents, create online courses, and work with brands. Companies and creators always need skilled videos creators, so there are many opportunities beyond platform earnings. With consistency, you can build a successful media company from your village. Number 5. Music. Build a music brand. If music is your passion, your talent can reach listeners everywhere through the internet. Create songs, covers, beats, or music tutorials and share them consistently on YouTube, Instagram, and other platforms. As your audience grows, you can sell music courses, license your music, produce beats for artists, offer private lessons, and partner with music brands. Many musicians also earn through memberships and live online performances. Your passion can eventually become a music academy, production company, or independent music label. Number 6. Drawing and painting. Build an art brand. If you enjoy drawing or painting, your creativity can become a business. Share your artwork and creative process on YouTube, Instagram, and Pinterest to attract people who appreciate your style. Sell digital prints, custom artwork, online classes, and art tutorials. You can also earn through affiliate marketing for art supplies, sponsorships, and print-on-demand products. With patience and consistency, your artwork can reach customers from different countries. Number 7. Farming and agriculture. Build an agriculture brand. If farming is your passion, your knowledge is more valuable than you may realize. Share practical farming techniques, organic farming methods, crop management tips, and success stories from your village through YouTube and Facebook. As people trust your advice, you can create farming courses, ebooks, consulting services, and online communities. Agriculture companies may also sponsor your content or partner with you. Instead of farming only for your village, you can educate farmers across the country. Number 8. Gardening. Build a gardening business. If you love gardening plants, flowers, or vegetables, start teaching others how to do the same. Share simple gardening tips, home gardening ideas, and seasonal advice on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. As your audience grows, sell gardening guides, online workshops, digital planners, and recommend useful tools through affiliate marketing. You can also work with gardening brands and build a loyal community. A small hobby can grow into a respected gardening business. Number 9. Teaching. Build an education brand. If teaching makes you happy, you don't need a classroom to change lives. Use your laptop to create educational videos, live classes, and study materials that help students learn more effectively. As your audience grows, you can earn through online courses, coaching programs, ebooks, memberships, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Students are always looking for good teachers who explain concepts clearly. Over time, you can build an online education company that reaches learners around the world. Number 10. Storytelling. Build a media company. If you love storytelling, you already have one of the most valuable skills in the digital world. Share inspiring stories, business lessons, history, village success stories, or motivational content through YouTube and social media. As people connect with your storytelling, you can earn through ad revenue, sponsorships, books, podcasts, courses, speaking opportunities, and memberships. Great storytellers build loyal audiences because people remember stories more than facts. With consistency, your passion can grow into a media company followed by millions. Conclusion. No matter where you live, whether it's a small village or big city, your passion can become your profession. With a laptop, an internet connection, and consistent effort, you can build an audience, create value, and earn from multiple sources. The goal isn't just to become a content creator. The goal is to build a real business around something you genuinely enjoy doing. That's how many long-lasting businesses begin.